Oh, that gets a little heated.
I bet it is hot. I bet you can feel that fire when you're standing down there.
Oh, that's a lot of fire.
Is that it?
Here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we should probably get going because it looks like it's gonna rain a lot.
Is it done?
Are you forgetting it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nope, just kidding. Charge my phone while I was looking.
I think so. I wonder if they'll start doing it off every half hour now.
Probably. Say hi, honey.
Hey, baby. Your light is on. Did you know that?
I thought I saw that.
It's bright. I wonder why it comes on when you film. It shouldn't come on when you film.
Candace is ready. Oh, nope, get ready again. Here it comes. Okay.
Oh, you did.
One
have
more
some
time, get ready.
capri pants.
She's smiling with her eyes. Okay, Olivia.
It's really bright. I can't see anything.
Yeah. You need to turn that light off.
Okay, I think the volcano is done. Oh, look at that thunderstorm. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Not thunderstorm, but the rain.
Oh, is that a wall cloud?
Okay, well, we better go.